Ka Joint Action Committee bepersia ek Umngot Hydroelectric Project hakasgi baar jong tayo kala let panya kendu yo sembut menteri rangba ka jela ubak Preston Tinsong ban Kyrpad yu ban pensangek no sisendon ya katai project boarding hakatai kathan. Na kalyang kinong ilam ka JAC haba kran cikilat patai kubor kila ong ban kalyang sembut menteri rangba ula kular ban rai katai ka benta haka kenhun menteri banya selok chua ban sim ya karai.
Nah, kalian jangka JAC ni one of the power yo Deputy Chief Minister Christian Dasam nak bentaban scrap no ya kan project muat nak ada jangan ngapan kecing mencai nak sarkar bahkan ai no kacubat yang ni kumki JAC nang bentuk suatu kunoban nanti
Kat kum ke jing thu jongki la datte ka dam ka jingdu kam dai tang ki leng kharap Henry wat ki jaka jingok kai perthai ki bakreng ki briu na kaleng kari bat ka perthai hi borok away bat kane kan khata e ka yok ka kot jong ki briu ki bah tai ka than
Holder of tourism in the state of Meghalaya. We had met the Deputy Chief Minister regarding the concern of Umngot. As a stakeholder of tourism, I support the move of the JAC. I will go right into the history of tourism in the state of Meghalaya. Prior to 2013, our tourism season in the state of Meghalaya is confined to only 6 months. That is from April, May, June, July, August, September. While the rest 6 months we considered them as off-season because there were no tourists coming during the lean season. Lean season in the sense that it's a dry, there's no monsoon, dry weather. Interestingly, after the year 2013-14, the scenario has totally changed. We started getting tourists even in the off season also. The reason being the discovery of this river Umngot and activities along this river, like people are taking campsite and boating along the Umngot river. It is very clear that this Umngot river has attracted tourists from all over the country as well as from abroad. We would regard 3 strong assets of the state in terms of tourism. Number 1 is the living root villages. Number 2, the discovery of all known as the cleanest village in Asia. And number 3 is the discovery of the clear water of Umngot. So we are here to support the JAC in the sense that we don't want to lose any asset of our state. By touching Umngot, I think it is too risky. And if you see, Umngot is the only river that is being protected by the villagers also. 10 years back, I think the District Council used to hire the river, lease the river to individual for activities as you well know. They will do netting, they will destroy the river. But in the last 7 years, what he had mentioned is we also respect him, that he has told us that this matter will be taken by him personally in the cabinet. I think we will respect his what he had said just now, and I think he will be seriously discussing this matter with the cabinet colleagues and impress upon the Chief Minister and the Power Minister to respect the sentiment of the people.